Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Profit Hub, your number one channel where we show you how to make money online, discover digital tools, and use AI to your advantage. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Google AI Pro completely free for 1 year. That is, 12 months. Before now, only countries like the US, Brazil, Japan, and India had access to this offer. But now it's available in over 14 African countries, including Nigeria, Ghana, and many more. So make sure you watch this video step by step till the end, so you don't miss any part of the process. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open your Chrome browser. Once you're there, you need to create a fresh new Gmail account. After creating it, go ahead and sign in to that new Gmail. Now, once you've signed in, you'll open the Google Verification tab. Don't worry, I will drop all the link needed in the description. We're going to verify our eligibility for the Google AI Pro student offer. So, go ahead and click on Verify Eligibility. Once you click that, it will take you to a new page where you'll fill in your student details. Don't worry, it's super simple. Just follow everything I show you carefully. Now, you'll select your country. Choose Nigeria or the country you're in. No need for any VPN because your country is now eligible for this offer. So, search for Nigeria or the country you are and select it. Next, you'll choose your school or institution. Make sure the school you pick does not have a city name beside it, and avoid top federal universities. For example, I'll choose Taraba State University. Now enter your name, first name, and date of birth. Make sure your date of birth shows you're above 18 years old. Let's use January 1st, 2000 as an example. Now, a lot of people ask, what kind of email should I use here? Don't worry, let's try one and see. If you use something like your name at edu.ng, it won't work. So instead, just use a normal Gmail. For example, your name at gmail.com. Boom, that works perfectly. Before verifying, Google will ask for your student ID card. So let's create one. Open a new tab and search for Student ID Card Generator. I'll drop the link to the generator in the video description so you can easily access it. When the page opens, you'll need 3 things. 1. A student photo. 2. A college logo. 3. A principal's signature. Now let's go get them one by one. Open a new tab and search for Nigerian student picture with blue background. Choose a clear and neat picture. Once you find one, download it. Next, search for college logo. Download any clean one of your choice. Finally, search for principal signature and download a nice one too. Now that we've downloaded all 3, the student photo, the college logo, and the principal signature, we're good to go. Go back to your ID card generator page. Now upload everything: student photo, college logo, principal signature. Then enter your college name, the same one you used earlier, for example, Taraba State University. For your name, type the same name you used before, like the one I used here. For class, you can put class 12. For roll number, use any 2 digits, let's say 65. Use the same date of birth, January 1st, 2000, and set the year to 2025. For the address, use the same address as the school. Now double check everything to make sure it's correct, then click Download Card. Perfect. Now your student ID card is ready. Go back to the Google Verification tab. Now click on Verify Student Status. It will ask you to upload a document, so upload the ID card you just created. PNG format recommended. Wait a few seconds while it verifies. And boom, you're verified. Now you can go ahead and click on Get Student Google AI Pro Offer. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then add your payment card. It only accepts 1 card per account. Once you've added your card, you'll get full access to Google AI Pro for 1 year, totally free. And that's it, guys. You've just seen how to get Google AI Pro free for 12 months, and it now works perfectly in Nigeria, Ghana, and other African countries. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video so more people can benefit. And make sure you subscribe to Digital Profit Hub for more powerful AI hacks, updates, and digital profit tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.